Good morning, everyone. Today is a very special day because we are going shopping together.
Before we leave the house, we need to make a proper shopping list so that we do not forget.
Everyone, please remember that we must stay together at all times because the mall will be crowded.
Wow, this mall looks so big and exciting, and I feel like there are so many fun things here. Let us start with the grocery section because we need to buy food and important items.
Look at those apples, they're so big!
Wow!
These apples look very fresh and shiny, and I think they will taste sweet and delicious when we eat them later. Yes, they do! Let's get these two. I really like bananas because they are soft, sweet, and easy to eat anytime when I feel a little hungry.
Let me check the list again carefully so that we do not forget anything important.
We need to buy fresh milk that will last for the whole week, so I will choose the one with the latest date.
Mom, can we buy this colorful cereal? Because it looks very tasty and fun for breakfast?
We can choose one cereal, but it should be healthy as well so that it is good for you.
Our cart is getting full now, which means we are almost done with our grocery shopping.
We're almost finished.
Hooray!
Leo, please slow down and stay near us because we do not want you to get lost.
This robot is so cool because it can walk and talk, and I really want to play with it.
It is a nice toy, but we need to think carefully before buying anything because we must stay within our budget.
Mom, please come with me because I saw a beautiful dress, and I really want to try it. Look at this one, Emma, please.
It's cute, sweetie, but we need to keep moving. We'll decide after we look at everything.
This dress is so soft and pretty, and I feel very happy when I look at it.
It looks beautiful, but let us finish our shopping first and then decide together.
I do not want to wait here for a long time because I want to go back and see the robot again. Lily, come with me quickly to the toy store again, and we will come back before Mom and Dad notice anything. Okay, let's go. I feel a little unsure about this, but I will come with you because I also want to see the toys again. Wait a moment, I think we walked too far because I cannot see the clothing store anymore. Leo, I feel scared now because I cannot see Mom and Dad anywhere. It's okay, Lily. We'll find them, I promise.
David, I cannot see Leo and Lily anymore, and I am starting to feel very worried about where they went.
Where? What are you talking about? Please stay calm, Emma. We will find them together, and I am sure they are somewhere nearby.
I think we should stay here and not move, because it will be easier for Mom and Dad to find us.
Excuse me, we are looking for our children and we are very worried because we cannot find them anywhere.
Don't worry, we have a lost and found area just over here.
Thank you for your help. Then we will check that area quickly and hope we find them soon.
There they are, David Chin.
I can finally see them, and I feel so relieved now. I was so worried about both of you, and I need you to promise that you will never walk away like this again.
I am very sorry because it was my idea to come here without telling you, and I understand now that it was wrong.
We know you are, sweetie, and we forgive you.
It's okay, Leo.
I am sorry too, Dad, because I should have stayed with you, and I felt very scared when we could not find you.
It is okay now. What matters is that we are together again, and we can learn from this experience. Now let us calmly decide what we can buy so that everyone feels happy and we stay within our budget.
I still really like this robot, but I understand that we need to think carefully before buying it. I love this dress, but I will be happy even if we choose something simple instead.
Let us finish our shopping now and go home because it has been a long and busy day.
Even though I felt scared earlier, I am happy now because we are all together again. I feel tired but very happy because today was full of learning and special moments.
Days like this remind us how important it is to stay patient, careful, and kind to each other. This was not just a shopping day, but a beautiful day where we learned the true value of family.
Leo, wake up! Today is a special day.
What day, Dad?
We are going to the snowy mountains.
Leo, hurry up! I am ready!
Wait, Lily. I am waking up.
Kids, brush your teeth first. Mom, is it very cold there? Yes, very cold. Dad, how big is the train?
Very big and fast.
Dad, are we late?
No, we are on time.
Let's go to the station. Dad, which train is ours? That blue one. It looks so big. I feel excited. Me too.
Let's get inside.
Wow. Seats are so soft.
I like this place.
Trees are moving fast. Houses look small. I feel scared, Anna.
It's okay.
Hold my hand. I feel better now. See?
You are brave.
Can we eat now? Yes.
Yay!
What if we get lost?
We will not.
We are together.
Look! Mountains!
Wow! So big!
We are close now. I see snow. Everything is white.
This is the mountain area. It looks very cold.
My hands will freeze. Can we play in snow? I want a snowman.
Yes, carefully. The train stopped.
We arrived. Wow, so much snow. It feels amazing.
Walk slowly.
It is cold but nice. I love it.
That is the fun.
Enjoy it. Let's play. Snowball fight.
Take this.
My turn. Ha ha ha.
So funny!
Help me build.
Make it bigger.
I will add eyes. Thank you.
Me too.
Me too. Together always.
Stay longer?
A little.
Please.
Please.
Okay.
I love this place.
Me too. Nature is beautiful. Time to go?
Yes.
Oh,
Let's go. Bye, snow. Bye, mountains.
say thank you.
Thank you for this trip. Best day. I am tired. Me too. I am happy.
Me too. Me too.
Me too. Train moving again.
Back home.
Yes. I will tell friends. Me too. I am sleepy.
Me too.
Sleep, rest. We are home, finally.
Welcome back. See photos?
Yes.
Look,
Wow.
beautiful. Beautiful. Thanks for watching my video. ऐसी ही इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर लें. See you next time. Bye everyone.